Everyone, so for today's video, we're going to show with you the exciting world of badminton. We will be covering the history, its rule and regulations, and some tips and techniques to help you improve the game. So let's get it started and discover the fun of the badminton.
So now, let's proceed to the history of badminton. Badminton is originated from ancient games in India, China, and Greece. The game puna in India inspired modern badminton. British officers brought it to England in 1800s. Named after Badminton House in England, where it was standardized, became an Olympic sport in 1992 in Barcelona.
Go!
For our facts, badminton is played with shuttlecocks and rackets, in singles or doubles. A match is best of 3 games, each to 21 points. Known as the fastest racket sports. Asia leads the sports globally, especially China and Indonesia, governed by the Badminton World Federation. Now, for our exercise in badminton, let's proceed.
Proper handle of badminton. Forehand grip, backhand grip, bevel grip, and paddle hand grip.